of school. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired. Tingnan niyo kung anong oras na. 5:54. And sabi ko, gigising ako ng maaga para maasikaso ko yung lunch and breakfast nila. But we're just still gonna make it kasi ihahatid na dun sila sa school today. So, let's make some breakfast and then lunch later. So, we're gonna have some eggs. Ating mahiwagang eggs. Yeah, mag-eggs tayo. And then, some bread. Toast bread. Para meron silang bread something. Let's make some breakfast. So, ayan na guys. Pwede na yung breakfast nila. Gisingin na natin kasi it's 6:04 na. So, lahat sila gigisingin na natin dahil para masanay. Good morning! Happy first day of school! The what?
In Minecraft, once you go to bed, it just goes.
Good morning, princess.
It's like more of a video.
We're going to do
Alright, come on, let's go get up.
We're going to do million.
What is it? I bless you. Alright, go pee. Troy.
We're going
Caleb, go. Chad, come on. I bless you, girl.
We are going to me and daughter time.
Me and daughter time again? Not yet. Come on. Hey, you two. Come on, let's go. Hey, do you guys see the...
Yes, I know. Troy, behind you.
I know. I sold it.
You sold it? You mean you saw it?
Right there.
Oh, you were right
Just
here.
walking to the bed.
Oh, okay.
Then I just sold it.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I just turned my head.
Yeah, you turn your head.
Like,
No, that's not how it's spelled too. It's T-W-O.
T-O-T-O-O-T-W-O. There's three different ways.
Mine is pink, and I have a pink. And Troy's is blue, and I have a Troy's is blue. Mommy, I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah. Oh, I killed him. Troy's and mine is pink.
And I see
Mine is pink.
If I don't sleep in the car, sleep in the car, then you're going to actually float.
Okay, you two.
No, I actually do that when I get bored.
Mommy, I love riding the bus. Mommy, the bus go round and round.
Mm-hmm.
Me, I just blow up.
And the bus is so cold. And it goes twist, turny.
Oh, and Mama's done. I can't eat anymore.
Okay, now.
No, I can't eat it when it's night. See, there's a difference.
I can eat strong.
Look at me. I can take advice from me and eat all of it. Stop. I chose the
Alright, we're gonna go, guys.
separate.
It's very cold out here.
It is cold, huh?
Look, there's one cloud.
Yeah, alright, come on, let's go, let's go. We gotta go.
Right.
Chad, Caleb, wait, ha? Go. Skubo. What a morning, crazy morning we have. Go, Sissy. Ay, Natalia, we don't have time to be playing around. Late na nga tayo, oh. Ready for first day of school?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Sobrang hectic ng ating morning, guys. I mean, like, look at me. I look awful. Like, hindi ako nakapag-ayos. And we're gonna go to school. Oh my gosh. But that's okay. So, hopefully, we'll be at school on time. Kasi, ano na, it's 7:10 na. So, yeah. Alright, let's go to school. So, ayan, nandito na kami, guys. Medyo nilalamig ang mga bagets. Hold on! Dali nga! Nilalagay ko yung aking ano. It's cold! Oh my God! Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Your hands are cold in your pocket. Alright, go. I don't know. Ayan, nahatid na namin sila, kuya. Oh my gosh, it's cold.
I win.
Alright, come on, let's go in the car. Hurry, because it's cold. Don't run, Ha. Don't run.
They say don't run.
Don't run.
I'm walking.
Yeah, walking. Walking is good.
I'm already tired.
You're already tired. Why?
Because we didn't.
We didn't what? Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. They're gonna.
Go, 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 go.
Eee. Oh shoot, I forgot to give this to Hi guys. So, alam niyo kung oras na. Nakauwi kami ng maaga. Pero hindi kami nakapunta ng Walmart, guys. Kasi, dati ako. Excuse me. Dahil, sinumpong yung sakit ng ulo ko. As in. Kaya, nag-decide na lang ako na umuwi kami. At nang makainom ako ng gamot. And, pagkatapos nun, ayun, nakatulog ako. Oh my gosh. So, alas 12 na, guys. Alas 12 na. Kakainis. Ngayon tuloy, imbes na pupunta tayo ng Walmart, hindi na tuloy tayo makakapunta. Dahil anong oras na, 12 na. And, we had to go to school about 1:30 or 1:45. Ganun, alis na tayo dito kasi 2:15 ang labas nila. So, kaya, yeah. Ito na guys, pick upin na natin sila kuya. That's Mama mowing. Yeah. Alright, open the door. So guys, nandito na kami sa pilahan.
Push, push.
So, yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't really feel good today, as in. Ito yung pinaka sobrang sucks na, alam mo yun, yung first day of school and you don't feel good. As in, talagang, hanggang ngayon, masakit pa din yung ulo ko kahit na uminom na ako ng 2 gamot. As in, masakit pa din kasi talagang sobra yun, kulang. Hindi sobra, kulang yung tulog ko today. Or last night, natulog na lang kami ng 12 or like 2. So, doon na kami nakatulog last night. And then, as in, sobrang, and then nagising ako nag-alarm ako ng 4:30. O, diba, ako na talaga. So, nag-alarm ako ng 4:30, pero hindi pa rin ako tumayo. And then 5 o'clock, 5:30, ayun, doon ako nagising. Ay, doon ako tumayo talaga kasi kailangan lang tumayo. So, talagang, ay nako, sobrang sakit talaga ng ulo ko hanggang ngayon. But, we have to do what we have to do. Whose birthday's coming up? Who is that?
Troy.
Is it your birthday, Troy?
No.
Is it your birthday? Tomorrow is happy birthday to you. Sissy, sing. Happy birthday to you. Sissy.
How did I forget?
How did you forget? I don't know how you forgot that. Happy birthday, dear Troy boy. Happy birthday to you tomorrow. How old are you gonna be? 5, yeah. So, birthday na niya tomorrow. My gosh, guys. Meron na tayong 5 years old. So, it's 2:03 na. So, we're just waiting. Kasi 2:15 yung labas nila. So, hopefully, nandito yung mga anak ko, no? At wala sa bus. Kasi, sinabi ko kanina na, na wag silang sasakay ng bus dahil pipick upin ko sila. So, hopefully, nandito sila. Nakakaloka mga batang yan. So, mag-wait na lang tayo dito.
My birthday. Hey! I'm just kidding.
Natalia, don't be mean to your brother.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is your birthday. Birthday, birthday boy. Tomorrow is your birthday. Tomorrow is your birthday. Next year yan, guys. Papasok siya na meron ng school.
Yeah, can I look? Ow.
Dahil kindergarten na siya noon, next year kindergarten na siya. Kaya ano, papasok na siya ng ano, hello, may sasakyan parating. Wait lang. Ayun na sila kuya. Hi, how was school?
Hey!
How was school?
Good.
Close the door, close the door.
I hit it.
How was school? How's first day of school?
Good.
Alright. Alright, let's go home.
Mom, bago daw.
Alright, good night.
Ano shiny?
Ha? I know. Tignan nyo naman yung araw. Oh. Sikat na sikat. Kaya anong oras na? Alright, good night. Tignan nyo kung anong oras. So where's the remote? Tell me the remote. It's up there. Troy, it's right there in your blanket. Ano nyo kung anong oras na yan, no? Po, 7:41 na. And, ang ano pa ng ano.
Good sleep.
Ayan, ayan silang dalawa magkuya nakahubad.
For some reason, Mom, the only way.
So guys, pagod na yung kamay ko kasi nagpi-fill out ako ng mga form na isi-send out ni Chad tsaka ni Caleb tomorrow. And tignan nyo yung mga ano, tignan nyo to kasi meron silang device na ibibigay like parang ano siya, like iPad ganyan. So ito yung replacement niya if ever na masira mo yung iPad or charger, yung protective case and everything. Ayan. So, pare-parehas sila ng ganito. Si Chad, Caleb, saka si Troy. So, eto kay Troy na tong pinifill upan ko. And talagang sobrang sakit na ng hands ko. Buti na lang kay Troy. Ilan lang. Yung kay Chad, Caleb, ang dami. So, ito yung itong pinagagawa ko since napatulog ko na yung mga bata. Hanggang ngayon nag-pifill upan ako. Good luck na lang talaga sa akin next year dahil 4 na sila yung pifill upan ko. Oh my gosh, ang sakit na ng kamay ko. Namumula na yung daliri ko dito. Yung ano ko dito, namumula na eh. Ang sakit na. My gosh. Kaya nagpahinga lang ako ng saglit. Also guys, dahil birthday na ni Troy bukas, magde-decorate tayo ng happy birthday ano niya. Kasi gusto ko paggising niya is makikita niya yung kanyang birthday decoration paggising niya. And then ibabalot na rin natin yung kanyang birthday gift. Ano pa ba? Basta marami tayong gagawin bukas. Kaya kailangan talaga tag na to, magising ng maaga. Well, kailangan talaga magising ng maaga dahil may pasok yung dalawa. So yeah. So, tapusin ko lang to. And then, maghuhugas na ako ng plato. And then, magre-rest lang konti. And then, tulog na. Dahil antok na ako. Hanggang ngayon, masakit pa din yung ulo ko. So, I'm gonna take another medicine para mawala talaga yung sakit ng ulo. Kasi hanggang ngayon, meron pa siyang kurot ng konti. So, yeah, tapusin ko lang to. Ugh.